Hi and welcome back to my page. This is Lily. I'm so grateful that you've joined me this morning. This morning is the 8th of January and it's my sister's birthday. Happy birthday, sis. January 2024. This morning I woke up, I said a prayer, and I just said, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you, and I'm so grateful with all the prayers that I prayed up, how grateful I was to everything that I have. And then the word surrender came to me. Surrender. And I started surrender, and I started singing a song. And then I just started saying, I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all to you. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all to you, Lord. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all to you, Lord. Thank you for listening and thank you for coming onto my page. So that was what I was inspired with, the word this morning, surrender. In my prayers, I ask God to open my mind up today for a word, for anything that could take me to a place where I would be inspired. And the word surrender, and you heard what I played, came to me, and that was it. My heart was lifted up, and then I felt this amazing lightness in here, just everything felt light, and says, yes, I surrender all. I surrender all to you, Lord. So I'm thankful. I'm not being religious here, but I'm just sharing with you on the word that I was inspired by. So I hope that whatever you're going through with today, I hope that you know that everything you're doing is a miracle. When you woke up this morning was a miracle. When you got up to get have a shower was a miracle. When you got dressed. Can you imagine there are people that cannot even be doing things like that or are no longer here? So I just thought that these things that we take sometimes for granted, we're getting up, waking up, and just doing the simple things, to me, that's all a miracle. So I'm thankful, I'm grateful that you're joining my page. I've got a story to tell, actually. I will start telling you a story about myself and why all these things that I share about on my video, my songs, my stories, and where I've been. So I was here living in Australia, in Perth, and then I went back to New Zealand. Then I came back here. I went back to New Zealand. So I'm going back and forth. And I'm expecting my first grandchild. I'm so happy. On May. And so I'll be going over to Sydney to wait upon the birth of my grandchild. I have an amazing daughter-in-law and I have an amazing son. I have an amazing daughter. I have an amazing husband. I have an amazing dad. I have amazing siblings, and I have amazing nephews and nieces, and I have amazing friends. All these things, these people in my life, I appreciate them and I love them dearly, and I'm so grateful to have them part of my life. Also, to those who have subscribed to my page, I'm so grateful to have you join me every time I make a video. Thank you for joining me. And plus, this is the year 2024. We should be celebrating. Yes, we made it to 224. And this is why I'm so happy, I'm so grateful that I surrender all to God for this year, 2024. There are so many things that are happening. I cannot wait to be part of this journey with you. So thank you. I'm going to share a few stories also. So join me again on my next video. I would like to see you again. Thank you, and I will play it one more time. I surrender all. I surrender all. I surrender all to you, Lord. Thank you. Subscribe to my page. We'll see you again on my next video. Bye for now.